Hello, Tashidele to everyone. Welcome back learning basic Tibetan language grammar. Today we are in part 19. Okay, let's start. Here you can see Jinjukju, 10 suffix letter. Please remember Jinjukju 10 suffix letter. Ga, nga, ta, na, pa, ma, a, ra, la, sa. So sa is the last one, and we are learning the example of sa Jinjuk. Okay, let's start. So here always we have to remember main letter or root letter. Ga, sa is Jinjuk or suffix letter. Okay, so this is the main point for us to study and recognizing this root letter and Jinjuk or suffix. Okay, Ga, sa, ge, ba, geba. Geba meaning is, what do you see here? Crack. Anything cracked on the wood or cracked on the wall, anything called geba. Geba. Next, ga sharp yu gu sa gu ba. Guba. Guba meaning is respect. Guba. Guba. Next one, ga naro go sa gu. Gu meaning is clothes. Gu. Gu. Next one, ga naro go sa gu cha ding bo che na chen gu chen. Gu chen meaning is silk brocade fabric. So you can see all kind of color, and people make a dress for women, for men, and it's so colorful and beautiful. So this one called and guechen. Guechen. Next one, cha naro cho sa che. Che meaning is dharma. So Sanskrit term or word dharma, and che, the meaning is truth. So when Buddha gave a first teaching called the Four Noble Truths, so you can see here the truth of suffering, the cause of suffering, the sensation of suffering, the path to sensation of suffering. So these are called Four Noble Truths. So that's why it's Buddha, whatever he gives the teaching is based on truth. That's why it is the meaning of cha naru cho sa che. Okay. Next, cha naru cho sa che ba. Che ba. Che ba meaning is Dharma practitioner. Che ba. Che ba. Next, nya ding bo nye sa nye pa. Nye pa. Nye pa meaning is punishment. Nye pa. Nye pa. Next, ta naru to sa te pa. Te pa. Te pa meaning is to hear. Te pa. Te pa. Next one, da sharp yu du sa du cha naru so ta tsu. Du tsu. Du tsu meaning is time. Du tsu. Du tsu. I don't have a time. Du tsu me. Next, na sa ne. Ne meaning is barley. Ne. Ne. Next, na sharp yu nu sa nu pa. Nu pa. Nu pa meaning is power. Nu pa. Nipa. Next, pa shabjupu sa pi manaro mo. Pimo. Pimo meaning is knee. Pimo. Pimo. Next, manaru mo sa me pa. Mepa. Mepa meaning is inspiration. Mepa. Mepa. Next, cha naru cho sa che pa. Chepa. Chepa meaning is here we have two. Okay, the first one is well cooked. Whenever the food cooked and ready to eat, it called chepa. The food is ready. Kala chepa. Chepa meaning is ready to eat, well cooked. Okay. Second meaning is ripe. For example, this one, the strawberry, this one is ripe, ready to eat. These are not ready. Okay. Now you can see ready to eat food, and of course ready to eat all the fruit is chepa. So it's the same word, but English has a different word and different term. Next, sha shabju shu sa shu ba shuba. Shuba mean is tall or set. Okay, but literally shuba is more like respect way. Okay, more respect term. Next, ya naru yo sa ye la naru lo. Yellow. Yellow meaning is ear of rabbit. Yellow. Yellow. Next one, ra shabju ru sa ru pa. Rupa. Rupa meaning is bone. Rupa. Rupa. And we have a true meaning, okay, ripa. The next other meaning is like a lineage, like a family tree. Here is family tree or lineage is same. You know, your ancestor. So that also called ripa. Next, la sa le. Le meaning is karma. What is the meaning of karma or le? Mean is actions. For example, here karma mean is think good thoughts, say nice things, do good for others. Everything come back. If you think bad, if you say bad word, if you do bad thing other, and everything come back bad. So you literally good karma and bad karma. Next one, la shabju lu sa lu. Lu meaning is the body. Okay, lu. Lu. Next, sha dengbo she sa she pa. Shepa. Shepa meaning is understand or recognize. Okay, shepa and shepa. Okay, so for now we have learned Genjukchu 10 suffix letter, all example, and we have learned root letter and the suffix letter, and these are all we have to remember. Don't forget the vocabulary and the meaning. All these are very important and keep in mind. And we're going to move next subject. Will be exciting. Okay, that's all for today, and I will see you in next video. Okay, bye for now.